I needed to install a Wi-Fi solar-powered security camera on my land. And the main challenge was distance. The camera location is about 650 feet away from my cable modem, which is far beyond what a typical indoor Wi-Fi router can handle reliably. Because this is a solar-powered camera, a stable long-range Wi-Fi connection is critical. After researching outdoor Wi-Fi solutions, I decided to try the WAVLINK AC1200. And it turned out to be a solid choice. This is a dual-band Wi-Fi 5 outdoor access point, supporting both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. What really matters for this type of setup is range and stability. The unit uses high-gain antennas, strong transmit power, and features like beamforming to help focus the signal and reduce interference over long distances. Setup was straightforward. No different from configuring a standard access point. I mounted it outdoors, ran a single Ethernet cable, and powered it using PoE, which is extremely useful when there is no power outlet nearby. To verify real-world performance, I ran a speed test from my iPhone. While standing at the camera location, about 650 feet away from the access point. The results were stable and usable, confirming that the connection is strong enough for live video streaming and downloading recorded footage from a Wi-Fi solar-powered security camera. In daily use, I can view the live camera feed and download saved video with no hiccups. The unit is designed for outdoor use, with an IP67 weatherproof enclosure, built to handle rain, heat, and harsh conditions. If you need to extend Wi-Fi to a remote solar camera, a gate, a barn, or a workshop, this is a practical and affordable solution that simply works. I will include the Amazon affiliate link in the description below.